All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So forbear and forbear with the E. Forbear and forbear. So forbear is to politely stop or refrain from something happening. Yeah, he forbear it from happening. I will forbear my actions. She struggles to forbear her decision, her impulses. Yeah, struggles to forbear impulses. He can easily forbear his desires and control himself. Yeah. How cool is that? We need to forbear him from doing that. He's not allowed to do it, and he has to forbear it. He can't do it, and has to forbear it. Yeah, has to forbear, has to resist, How cool is that? Yes. But forbearer is an ancestor, someone old from your family. My ancient forebearers go back thousands of years. Our forebearers go back thousands of years. I have a forebearer and a relative that lived in the 1600s. How cool is that? Yeah, let's change that. Yeah, a forebearer, someone from my family tree a long time ago. Yeah. Our forebearers, the people that came before us, the people that came before us in the family are our forebearers. Yeah. They started the family dynasty. Yeah. How cool is that? But our forebearers would not have agreed. No way. They would not have liked this idea. Our forebearers, or your forebearers, can be tracked back 400 years. I have a lot of forebearers. Yeah. From different parts of Europe. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, forbear, to stop and refrain from something. No, thank you. And forbearer. Yeah. So, forbearer. Oh, forbear. Yeah, forbear. And forbearer. Yeah, very good. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use these words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.